On the transfers menu, this is where you will use to transfer your products from your shop A to your shop B. That is if you have more than one shop. You will find your list of transfers, add transfer, and add transfer by CSV. Under list of transfers, the list of transfers will be presented according to the date and time that that transfer was done, the reference number for that transfer, the warehouse from which the products were coming from, and the warehouse from which the products were being transferred to, the total amount for the products that were being transferred, product tax, grant total, the status of the transfer, and actions. Under actions, this is where you can see your transfer details, edit transfer, download that transfer as PDF, email transfer, print barcodes for the products transferred, or delete the transfer. When adding a transfer, you can add it from the right side. Under add the actions icon, you have an add transfer icon, or directly from the transfers menu under add transfer. When adding a transfer, the date will be input automatically. Then you will input the reference number. You will select the warehouse to which you want to transfer the products to. Then you will input the status of the transfer, shipping details, and then if there's any attachment that is needed, you will attach. And finally, select the warehouse to which the item is going to. Then now you can pick the item that you want to. You can pick the item that you want to transfer. When adding a transfer, the date and time will be input automatically. Then you will input your reference number. You will select the warehouse to which you want to do the transfer to. You will input the status of the transfer, whether it is complete, pending, or sent. Then you will input the shipping details, and in case there's any attachment that needs to be attached, you will attach them here. You pick the warehouse. And then you will also select the warehouse from which the products are coming from. And then you add the products that you want to transfer to the list. Once all the products that you want to transfer from your shop A to shop B are on the order items, you can leave a note. And submit. It will take us back to the list of transfers, and transfer will successfully be added. That transfer will be the first one on the list, and our status will be pending. When we want, in case the transfer will be complete, you will come to actions, edit transfer, and then on the status you will input completed, and your transfer will be successfully updated and the status will be a completed transfer. Please note that once you complete a transfer, the quantity of goods in shop A from which the transfer was coming from will reduce, and the quantity of the same product in shop B where the transfer was going to will increase respectively and automatically without any other action from your side. We can also add a transfer by CSV, that is through an Excel sheet. Once you are adding by CSV, the date will be input automatically and the reference number. Then you'll need to pick the warehouse that you are doing the transfer to, and then the status, whether completed, pending, or sent, the shipping detail, and then the warehouse from which the transfer is coming from. Then you will download a sample file. Once you download a sample file, which is an Excel sheet, it will come in this format. Please do not change the first rows or interchange the columns. Just leave them as they are and fill the product code, details, unit cost, quantity, product variant, and expiry date for the products that you are transferring, and save. Once you save, you will upload the CSV file here. Then attach any other document that you need to attach for your transfer. Leave a note in case there's any note you want to leave, and submit. Once you submit, a transfer will have been done by a CSV. That is all for the transfers menu. See you on the next video when we'll be looking at the reports menu.